Hey there folks, I'm Josh, and it's an absolute pleasure to welcome you to our guide on creating your very own LLC here in the heart of Wisconsin. Are you itching to bring your bright concept to life and cultivate a flourishing endeavor? Well, you've hit the jackpot because we're poised to guide you step by step through every slice of the setup process. Our goal, to make everything crystal clear and totally comprehensive so you can embark on this exciting journey with absolute confidence. Now, let's tackle a crucial choice right off the bat. Flying solo in forming your LLC or enlisting the expertise of an LLC formation service. If this is your maiden voyage into the world of business, my advice is to seriously consider the latter. And here's the scoop. An LLC formation service isn't just a shortcut. It's your ticket to a streamlined process, airtight compliance with Wisconsin's legal tapestry, and most importantly, your peace of mind. And guess what? It usually comes with a price tag that's far less daunting than you might imagine. Don't forget to take a gander at the link in our video description below for one of the top tier LLC formation services out there, decked with plans tailored to suit any wallet size. All right, with all that said and done, it's time to roll up your sleeves and delve into the nitty-gritty of how to establish an LLC here in Wisconsin. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Step 1. Name your Wisconsin LLC. Excited to launch your dream business in Wisconsin? The first critical step now is choosing a name. This isn't just any name, it should resonate with your brand and make a lasting impression. Your business name is more than merely a label. It's your first engagement with potential customers. In Wisconsin, your chosen name must be unique and include LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company at the end. Have some names already in mind? Well, great. Your next move now is to check their availability. For this, you'll need to visit the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions website. We've included the link in the video description below for your convenience. Once you've found an available name, consider reserving it with the state. This can be done through the business name reservation process on the same website. Step 2. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is an integral part of setting up your LLC. This entity acts as your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents and government correspondence. In Wisconsin, your registered agent can be either an individual resident of the state or a business entity authorized to conduct business in Wisconsin. It's critical that your registered agent is available during normal business hours to receive important documents on behalf of your LLC. When choosing a registered agent, prioritize reliability and accessibility. Professional registered agent services are also an option, providing additional peace of mind and ensuring compliance with state requirements. Looking for a registered agent? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the video description for recommendations on top registered agent services available in Wisconsin. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the realm of LLCs, there are two primary management structures, member managed and manager managed, akin to a DIY project versus hiring a contractor. In a member managed LLC, it's all about collaboration. The members, that's you and your partners, actively manage the day-to-day operations. It's ideal for smaller teams where everyone wants a say in the business operations. On the other hand, a manager-managed LLC is where you bring in external managers who can be non-member employees or managers to oversee daily operations. This setup is similar to having a dedicated captain for your ship. Members can also be managers but must work alongside at least one non-member manager. For smaller teams with active involvement, member managed might be the way for you. For larger teams with some members preferring a hands-off approach, manager managed might be your best bet. In Wisconsin, your LLC is automatically considered member managed unless you specify otherwise in your articles of organization. So give some thought to what is best for your business. Step 4. File articles of organization with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. Now it's time to make your LLC official in Wisconsin. This is achieved by filing the Articles of Organization with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. The Articles of Organization is a vital document that officially establishes your LLC in the state. It requires essential information such as the name of your LLC, the address of your principal office, the name and address of your registered agent, and the names of the LLC's organizers. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail. The Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions offers an online filing option, which is often the quickest and most convenient method. A filing fee is required at the time of submission. Filing the Articles of Organization is a critical step in forming your LLC as it legally establishes your business in the state of Wisconsin. Upon filing, you'll receive a confirmation and your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Wisconsin. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The fifth step in forming your LLC in Wisconsin is to create an LLC operating agreement. Although not legally required in Wisconsin, it's strongly advised for the smooth and structured operation of your LLC. An LLC operating agreement is a critical document outlining your LLC's ownership and operating procedures. It acts as a guideline for how your business will run and assists in managing internal affairs. This agreement should detail the members' percentage interest in the LLC, their rights and responsibilities, profit and loss allocations, and procedures for admitting new members or handling departures. You can draft an operating agreement yourself, use an online template, or seek legal counsel to ensure it covers all necessary aspects which complies with Wisconsin's state laws. Need help drafting one? Well, we've got you covered. Check out our complimentary operating agreement template in the video description. While it's a great starting point, remember that every business is unique. You might need to customize it or tweak it to fit your specific needs. Step 6. Get an employer identification number, also known as EIN. Next, establish your business's identity with the Internal Revenue Service, also known as IRS, by obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN. The EIN is crucial for all your business's tax-related activities, whether it's filing taxes, opening a new business bank account, or managing payroll. Your EIN will be your primary identifier. The process to get an EIN is simple and free. Head over to the IRS website and complete the application through their online system. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. To legally operate your business will need its own appropriate licenses and permits. These requirements vary based on your location in Wisconsin, the type of business you're running, and the services in which you provide. While navigating the requirements for licenses and permits might seem daunting, it is actually quite manageable. Consult with Wisconsin state and local government entities to determine what specific licenses and permits your LLC requires. This could include anything from a general business license to more specific permits, like environmental permits for certain manufacturing activities or health department licenses for food service businesses. Check the description below for a link to a detailed guide on obtaining the necessary business licenses and permits in Wisconsin. Step 8. Choose your tax status. An LLC offers flexibility in how you can be taxed, and this decision can significantly affect your business's finances. You have the option to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or an S corporation. By default, LLCs are treated as disregarded entities for tax purposes, meaning the business itself isn't taxed directly. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns, which can be beneficial for smaller businesses. If you're considering a different tax approach, you might have your LLC taxed as a C corporation. This status means the business is taxed separately from the owners, which could be advantageous if you plan to reinvest profits back into the company or are preparing for an IPO. Alternatively, opting for the S corporation status can provide tax benefits, such as avoiding double taxation on dividends. However, it does come with specific shareholder requirements. Choosing the right tax status is important, but can be complex. It's wise to consult with a tax professional to determine the best approach for your specific situation here in Wisconsin. Voila! That's it. You've navigated through the steps and your Wisconsin LLC is now officially formed. Congratulations on reaching this important milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. You've transformed your vision into a legitimate business, poised to make a significant impact, I'm sure. If you found this guide helpful, do please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content just like this. Your support allows us to create more resources for aspiring business owners just like you. And again, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. We're here to support you at every step of your business journey, offering tips, tricks, and know-how to make your venture successful. Thanks again for watching, and here's to the success of your LLC here in Wisconsin.